Does the thought of the dentist make you nervous? I'm Dr. NAIK, and I understand. That's why we've built something different. Welcome to Ma Tarini Advanced Dental Care, where your comfort is our priority. We're here to change how you feel about dentistry. Instead of clinical coldness, we focus on a relaxing atmosphere. Every visit here is designed to be calm and completely pain-free. Dental care should be a relief, not a source of anxiety. It starts with an environment that puts you at ease the moment you walk in. We use the latest technology to ensure your treatments are fast and comfortable. From routine checkups to advanced RCT, we've got you covered. Our polite and professional team is here to guide you every step of the way with transparency and a smile. Visit us at Gole Chowk, Karanjia. Experience dental care that feels like a local secret shared by a friendly neighbor. Ma Tarini Advanced Dental Care. Your smile is our commitment. Book your stress-free visit today.